Now there in this we will come to know those trigonometric values. Sine 30, sine 45, sine 60, sine 90. I believe a lot of students you have remembered, but still sine 0, 0, sine 30 1 by 2, sine 45 1 by root 2, sine 60 root 3 by 2 and 1. Correct? If you remember this one only, that will help you to get the cos and tan also. 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2 and 1. In cos, what you do, from here you write 1, root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2 and 0. Because we know that property sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. So the value of sin 30 is same as cos 60, correct? The value of sin 60 is same as the value of cos 30, correct? Tan 0 is 0, tan 30 1 by root 3, 1 and tan 60 root 3 and tan 90 not defined or infinity. This came from sin by cos, 0 upon 0. See, 0 upon 1 is going to be 0. 0 is divided by any number, it is going to be 0. Now 1 by 2 divided by what? Root 3 by 2, it will come 1 by root 3. So tan 30 is 1 by root 3. 1 by root 2 divided by 1 by root 2, it becomes 1. Fine. And root 3 by 2 and divided by 1 by 2, it becomes root 3. And 1 upon 0, any number divided by 0, it becomes infinity. So this chart is important to remember, sine, cos, tan. And what will happen to cosec, cosec? You just flip it. Let's say cosec 0. Cosec 0 is 1 upon 0. That is infinity. Cosec 0, what you can write? Cosec 0 it is 1 upon 0, which is infinity. Opposite of sine 0. Fine. 1 upon 0, it is infinity. Let's say sec 30 degree. So cos 30, you know that root 3 by 2. So sec 30 becomes 2 by root 3. So just flip it. Because we know that cos theta is 1 upon sec theta. Sec theta is 1 by cos theta. Fine. So this way you can remember this chart, because one question which will be there with the value based this one. So I believe all of you remember this one. If you remember, then it will become very simple to solve a couple of sums. Let's say I have one question. Look at this. Suppose we have to calculate the value tan square 30 degree plus sine square 60 degree plus cos square 0 degree. Fine. So tan 30 we know 1 by root 3, correct? There is square. Sine 60 we know root 3 by 2, there is square. Fine. Cos 0 we have 1 square. Fine. Now it's an algebra. You can simplify 1 by 3, 3 by 4 plus 1. So after this is going to be 12, 9 plus 12. 25 by 12 is the value of this expression, tan square 30 plus sin square 60 plus cos square 0 degree. Correct? So what is very important here, if you remember this chart, this is very very important. ये वैल्यू तो आपको याद रखने ही रखने हैं मिनिमम. आगे हमें डाउन द लाइन हमें क्वेश्चन में ट्रिग्नोमेट्री में ये वैल्यूज लगेंगी. सो इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू रिमेंबर दीज वैल्यू. फाइन. सो sin 0, sin 30, sin 45, sin 60, sin 90, cos, tan. कम से कम ये याद रखें, ये वाला पहला. तो आप cos भी उसको रिवर्स कर देंगे और tan को डिवाइड कर देंगे. 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 1. 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. करेक्ट. इससे आगे की डिग्री की जो वैल्यू की बात होगी हम वो आगे हम पढ़ेंगे क्लास में. 90 से ऊपर की वैल्यू कैसे निकाली जाती है, दैट आई विल डिस्कस ऑन द नेक्स्ट क्लास. बट मीनवाइल ये वैल्यूज आपको लर्न होने ही चाहिए. करेक्ट है. ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक टेबल इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. इसका आप स्क्रीनशॉट भी लेके रख लें या आप इसको याद है, कई बुक में भी अवेलेबल है, दैट यू कैन रिमेंबर. सो दिस वे वी कैन हैव सम प्रॉब्लम्स बेस्ड ऑन डिग्री. सी अभी हमने थोड़ी देर पहले फर्स्ट वीडियो में व्हाट वी हैव सीन द कन्वर्जन, साइन को कॉस, कॉस को साइन, 90 माइनस थीटा वाला कन्वर्ट. जैसे हमारे पास लिखा है साइन 42 डिग्री अपॉन कॉस 48 डिग्री. फाइन. सो क्या वैल्यू होगी, व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ दिस. सो डियर मैं किसी एक को कन्वर्ट कर देता हूँ. मान लो मैं साइन 42 को लिख सकता हूँ 90 माइनस 48. कैन बी राइट. अगर मैं 90 में 48 माइनस करूँ आई विल गेट 42 डिग्री. करेक्ट. सो मैं 42 डिग्री को ये लिखा एंड अपॉन दिस इज cos 48. डू नॉट चेंज बोथ, चेंज वन, ईदर दिस और दिस, किसी एक को चेंज करो. सो sin 90 minus theta is we know cos theta, cos 48 and this is cos 48. What will happen? This get cancelled. So sin 42 upon cos 48 is 1. Okay? With the help of that in first video or what I have told you, sin 90 minus theta, cos 90 minus theta, sin theta. Fine? Let's say we have cot 23 degree. Fine? Upon tan 67 degree. What will happen? So you can change cot to tan. 23 can be written as 90 minus 67. Fine. This you leave it as it is as tan 67. Now you know cot 90 minus theta is tan theta. 90 minus theta is tan theta. So tan 67. And in denominator it is tan 67. So what will happen? This becomes 1. Fine here. So the values and this 90 minus theta concept, both you have to understand properly, so that we will have some problems that you can able to solve with the help of this result. ठीक है, values भी याद होनी चाहिए और ये relationship between sin to cos, cos to sin, tan cot, cot tan, correct? Now dear, we came to we have some relationship between this. Tan is sine by cos, correct? Tan theta is sine by cos theta. If you p by h, b by h, if you do, you will get p by b, which is tan theta. Cot theta is cos by sine, fine? Because we know opposite of tan is cot, so cot theta is flip it, cos by sine, fine? So tan theta is sine by cos, cot theta is cos by sine. Then we have some more relationship. Those are very, very important. That is what we call trigonometric identities. That is very important to remember. First is sine square theta plus cos square theta is going to be 1, where theta should be same. Fine? Sine square, let's say if I have sine square 5 degree plus cos square 5 degree, what it is going to be? 1. Fine? This theta and this theta should be same, and it becomes 1. So with the help of this formula. Now you will ask how it came 1. So you put sin theta p by h, cos theta b by h, square it and use Pythagoras theorem. You will get h square upon h square, which is 1. That proof you know how it came. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. From here we can write sin square theta is 1 minus cos square also. Correct? From this result, cos square theta equals to 1 minus sin square theta also we can write. Fine? Sin square in terms of cos square in terms of sin square. Fine? So these are important trigonometric relationships that you must to remember. This is what A. Next we have, see here you can write sin theta also like this. Sin theta is root of 1 minus cos square theta. What about here? Cos theta is root of 1 minus sin square theta. Correct? Right here? Next we have 1 plus tan square theta. 1 plus tan square is sec square theta. Okay? That is very important to remember. Now tan square you take this side, sec square theta minus tan square theta, this is going to be 1. Fine? Tan square if you take that side, 1 left. So this is also very important formula. Sec square minus tan square is 1. From here, this one relationship it is important to remember. This you can write this way also. See what I have written? Sec theta plus tan theta is 1 upon sec minus tan theta. How it came? See, sec square minus tan square is a square minus b square. So split this a plus b into a minus b. And a plus b you keep here. So 1 upon a minus b will go that side. Correct? This is a square minus b square is 1. Here a plus b into a minus b you can write equals to 1. So if you want to write a plus b here, so 1 upon this will go in divide 1 minus b. So sec theta plus tan theta is 1 upon sec minus tan. Or sec theta minus tan theta will be 1 upon sec theta plus tan theta also. Right? both the relations. You take this side, this will go that side. Fine here. So this is important identities that you have to remember, so that you will be able to solve basic question of trigonometry there. Correct? Now we'll see this. Another relationship is 1 plus cot square theta. This is cosec square theta. Fine? 1 plus cot square theta is cosec square. So cosec square theta, you take this side, minus cot square theta is going to be 1. Fine? This you take this side, 1 left. From here, the same way like this, what I have written here, we can write cosec theta plus cot theta. We can write 1 upon cosec minus cot theta. Correct? So these are basic trigonometric relations, identities, what you can say, that you have to remember. Fine dear? So now, after watching this video, I will give you some problems right now. Right now all of you have to solve and let me know what are the answers of those questions. ठीक है? तो मैं अभी आपको कुछ क्वेश्चन भेजता हूँ, इमीडिएटली आप उसको सॉल्व कीजिए एंड इफ यू हैव एनी डाउट यू कैन आस्क मी. ठीक है? सो आज का लेक्चर मैं इस यहाँ पे स्टॉप करता हूँ. नेक्स्ट क्लास में विल गो फर्दर ऑल्सो. ठीक है डियर? सो बेस्ट ऑफ लक, टेक केयर ऑफ योरसेल्फ. करेक्ट? थैंक यू वेरी मच. अभी मैं कुछ सम दूंगा जो आप अभी करंटली मेरे साथ बैठ के करेंगे. करेक्ट? चलिए, थैंक यू.